A famous sequence in mathematics has each new number equal to the sum of the previous two numbers. You may know this as the Fibonacci sequence. It was discovered more than 1,000 years before Fibonacci by the mathematician Pingala in the analysis of language. Consider the words rice and ohm. They take longer to say than the words thug and cot. In the Sanskrit analysis of poetry, rice and ohm can be thought of as long syllables that take 2 units of metrical beat. Thug and cot would be considered short syllables that take 1 unit of metrical beat. Pingala wondered, how many ways are there to compose n units of metrical beats using long and short syllables? This is a mathematical problem of combinatorics. If we have 1 total unit, we can only compose that by using 1 short beat. So there's only 1 way that we can compose 1 unit. If we had 2 units, we could compose it as 2 short beats, but we could also compose it as 1 long syllable. There are 2 total ways we can compose 2 units of metrical beat. What about 3 ways? Now we can have 3 short syllables. We can start out with a short syllable followed by a long syllable, or we could start off with a long syllable and end with a short syllable. So there are 3 total ways to compose 3 units of metrical beat. What about 4 units of metrical beat? What we could do is we can copy the number of ways that we compose 2 units of metrical beat, and then we could put a long syllable at the end. We can also copy the number of ways that we make 3 units of metrical beat, and we can add a short syllable at the end of each of these. In total, there are 5 ways we can make 4 units of metrical beat. And this is because 5 is equal to 2 plus 3. And now we can see a pattern. If we want to compose n units of metrical beat, we could end the line with the long syllable, which would leave n minus 2 units of metrical beat. And there are n minus 2, however many number of ways to make that number of beats. We can also end the line with a short syllable, which would leave n minus 1 metrical beats to be filled. So the number of ways to make n units of metrical beat follows a recurrence relation that is equal to the number of ways to make n minus 2 plus the number of ways to make n minus 1. And it's really amazing that Pingala discovered this over 1,000 years before Fibonacci. So we might more accurately call this the Pingala sequence. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for free updates when I post new videos on math and game theory. You can catch me on my blog, Mind Your Decisions, which you can follow on Facebook, Google+, and Patreon. You can also catch me at Presh Talwalkar on social media. And please check out my books on math and game theory. I provided some links in the video description. Thanks for watching.